Libre si Leleng, oh. Mga marites, oh. Marites yan. Okay, then.
Guys, we're in Hunger May right now.
Nakasan mo boses mo.
We're in Hunger May right now. What's the time, Mom?
What's the time?
20 p.m.
20 p.m.
I thought 20 p.m. Ah, yeah, 11 p.m.
No, it's 9.
Ah, 9 p.m.
Ay, si Saro. Tell your brother.
Saru! That she's my brother. Saru! Say hello. Hello. I'm with my mom. We're going there.
Where? Home?
Hunger May. That's almost like in Golden. Maybe we go there.
Marites, oh. And then, Saro, what else?
It's Kuya's birthday and Daddy Lala.
What you will eat? Kikyam!
Kikyan! We're on the Hunger May. I'm telling hi. Hi. Hi.
I think. Hunger May. Saro.
Valentine's Day.
Hindi nga ni.
Pumatay mo?
Yun na naman. Yan, tofu. Masarap yan. Salamat sa libre, Leleng. Oh.
Hindi na?
Libre man ang sabaw.
Dad, Mommy. What's that?
Chopstick?
Na
Tapos nandito yung ilaw ko.
misan na
Mas komportable. Para yung ilaw ko, nakagano.
na tayo. Maru. Uwi na, uwi na. Bye. 1, 2, 3. Ha? Hindi, video nga ni. Pinicture ako. Nabusog?
Thank you, Ling. Thank you, Madam Ling Ling. Thank you, Madam Ling. Sana mga our sponsor for today.
Namutla eh, oh.
Our sponsor for today.
Nakahigop na sabaw. Wag naman. Lalakad na pa uwi. Oh, ha? Ba't naman nasa... Kala ko nasa malayo kalik.
Alam mo, ah. Ayaw mo magtanong mo.